Faux leather is a great material for both garment and home decor sewing projects. The main challenges to working with faux leather are its thickness, lack of forgiveness once pierced, and its stickiness. Because of the faux leather's thickness, you will not want to cut it on a fold. Trace any cut on fold pattern pieces onto paper and make another half to add to your pattern piece so that you can easily cut the material flat. When cutting faux leather, use weights to keep the pattern pieces in place. Extra rotary blades may be needed as the faux leather will dull the blade faster than most fabrics. For most faux leathers, you'll want to use a heavy-duty thread and a leather needle. A leather needle is designed to work with the density and thickness of the leather and accommodate a thicker, heavy-duty thread. However, it's possible that you will find the hole it makes in your material to be too large, so you might want to try a denim needle or a stretch needle. If you are seeing skipped stitches, try switching your needle and thread type. To counter the faux leather stickiness, change your presser foot to a Teflon foot, which will continue to apply pressure to the material while lessening the friction on the surface of the material. Once you puncture faux leather, you can't move fibers back into place to cover that hole, so use sewing clips instead of straight pins to hold pieces together as you sew. You'll also want to use a longer stitch because holes close together weaken the material. When you're ready to sew a seam, sew it as usual right sides together, but skip the back stitch and simply tie the thread together to secure your stitching. To keep seam allowances laying flat, top stitch open or to one side, or use fabric glue to keep the seams flat. And that's how you work with faux leather.